Number 10. Wilson Combat CQB, $2,700. The Wilson Combat CQB stands as a pinnacle of 1911 craftsmanship, exemplifying excellence in design and performance. Boasting a light mount frame, this pistol caters to users who value adaptability, allowing for the attachment of tactical lights for enhanced visibility in low-light situations. The massive cone barrel contributes not only to its striking aesthetics, but also to improved accuracy and reduced recoil. Wilson Combat's commitment to quality is evident in the meticulous construction of the CQB, ensuring precision and durability. The combat matte black finish not only adds a tactical edge, but also minimizes glare, maintaining focus during critical moments. Number 9. Sig Sauer STX, $1,600. The Sig Sauer STX stands out as an exceptional choice for a 1911 pistol, offering a combination of high performance and durable design. Sig Sauer, renowned for its commitment to quality firearms, has crafted the STX to meet the rigorous standards expected from this iconic platform. One of the notable features of the STX is its exceptional accuracy, thanks to the precise engineering and craftsmanship that Sig Sauer is known for. The pistol incorporates a match-grade barrel and other enhancements that contribute to its outstanding shooting capabilities. The durability of the Sig Sauer STX is evident in its robust construction and materials. The frame and slide are crafted to withstand the rigors of regular use while maintaining reliability. The attention to detail in both design and manufacturing ensures that the STX is not only a high-performance firearm, but also one that can withstand the test of time. Whether for competitive shooting, self-defense, or recreational use, the Sig Sauer STX stands as an excellent choice for those who appreciate the combination of top-tier performance and a durable, well-crafted design in a 1911 pistol. Number 8. Colt 1911 Government, $1,500. The Colt 1911 Government stands as a quintessential choice among 1911 pistols, combining the timeless design of the original M1911 with modern enhancements, ensuring both reliability and user-friendly features. As a classic firearm with a storied history, the Colt 1911 Government represents a legacy of excellence in the world of handguns. Maintaining the iconic styling of the original M1911, the Government model incorporates modern upgrades to enhance its performance and usability. The single-action trigger, a hallmark of 1911s, provides a crisp and consistent break, contributing to improved accuracy. Colt's commitment to quality is evident in the construction of the 1911 Government, ensuring a robust and durable firearm. Its design remains faithful to the classic aesthetics of the M1911, appealing to enthusiasts who appreciate the historical significance of this platform. Whether for collectors, enthusiasts, or those seeking a reliable and proven sidearm for various applications, the Colt 1911 Government stands out as an outstanding choice. Its harmonious blend of classic design and modern functionality continues to make it a respected and sought-after handgun in the firearms community. Number 7. Smith & Wesson 1911 SC, $1,150. The Smith & Wesson 1911 SC stands out as an excellent choice for individuals seeking a mid-sized carry option within the 1911 platform. Known for its reliability and compact design, this firearm combines the classic appeal of the 1911 with features optimized for convenient carry. The SC in its name stands for subcompact, indicating its suitability for concealed carry and everyday use. The mid-sized frame strikes a balance between comfortable carry and effective shooting, making it an ideal choice for those who prioritize both portability and performance. Chambered in 45 ACP, the 1911 SC retains the stopping power associated with the classic cartridge while offering a more compact package. The single-action trigger, characteristic of 1911s, provides a crisp and consistent break, contributing to accuracy and control in rapid-fire situations. Smith & Wesson's commitment to quality and innovation is evident in the construction of the 1911 SC. It offers a durable and reliable option for individuals looking to carry a 1911-style pistol comfortably while ensuring they are well-equipped for self-defense or personal security. Number 6. Ruger 1911, $550. The Ruger 1911 exemplifies precision and craftsmanship, standing as a testament to Ruger's commitment to quality firearms. Built on the revered 1911 platform, this pistol is a fusion of classic design and modern manufacturing standards, offering enthusiasts a reliable and well-crafted firearm. Ruger's attention to detail is evident throughout the construction of the 1911, from the frame to the slide and every component in between. The firearm boasts a robust build, ensuring durability and longevity, characteristics that are particularly important for a handgun intended for various applications. Chambered in the classic 45 ACP, the Ruger 1911 delivers substantial stopping power, making it suitable for self-defense or recreational shooting. The single-action trigger provides a clean and consistent break, contributing to enhanced accuracy and control. Whether for seasoned firearms enthusiasts or those new to the 1911 platform, the Ruger 1911 offers a well-crafted and dependable option. Its blend of classic styling and contemporary features positions it as a reliable and accessible choice for those seeking a quality handgun. Number 5. Springfield 1911 Defender, $750. The Springfield 1911 Defender stands out as a stellar choice for enthusiasts seeking a 1911 pistol that seamlessly blends modern functionality with classic design elements. Renowned for its reliability and performance, the Defender represents a contemporary take on the iconic 1911 platform. This pistol incorporates modern features to enhance usability and accuracy while retaining the timeless appeal of the original design. The single-action trigger ensures a crisp and consistent break, contributing to improved shot placement and control. One notable aspect of the Springfield 1911 Defender is its commitment to craftsmanship and quality materials. From the frame to the barrel, each component is meticulously constructed to meet the high standards associated with Springfield Armory firearms. The result is a durable and dependable handgun, suitable for various applications, including self-defense and recreational shooting. Whether for seasoned 1911 enthusiasts or those new to the platform, the Springfield 1911 Defender offers a versatile and reliable option. Its fusion of modern innovation with classic design makes it a well-rounded pistol, appealing to a broad spectrum of firearm enthusiasts. Number 4. Kimber Warrior, $1,300. The Kimber Warrior stands out as an exceptional 1911 pistol, renowned for its top-tier quality and suitability for personal defense and open carry. Distinguished by its flat dark earth, desert, and black finish, the aesthetic appeal of the Kimber Warrior is complemented by its advanced features. Designed with precision and craftsmanship, this pistol incorporates modern enhancements while staying true to the classic 1911 platform. The use of high-quality materials and meticulous construction ensures reliability and durability, meeting the standards expected from Kimber firearms. The flat dark earth finish not only adds a tactical and modern touch to the pistol, but also provides enhanced corrosion resistance. This makes the Kimber Warrior a reliable choice for various environments and conditions. The Kimber Warrior's reputation for excellence extends beyond its aesthetics, encompassing features like a crisp single-action trigger and enhanced ergonomics for improved handling. Whether for personal defense or open carry, the Kimber Warrior stands as a testament to Kimber's commitment to producing firearms that balance functionality, performance, and style. Number 3. Auto Ordnance 1911, $750. The Auto Ordnance 1911 is a single-action-only pistol known for its classic design and chambered in the powerful 45 ACP cartridge. With a 7+1 round capacity, it delivers substantial stopping power, making it a popular choice for those who prioritize firepower. Built on the iconic 1911 platform, this pistol pays homage to the historical significance of the original design while incorporating modern manufacturing standards. The single-action trigger provides a crisp and consistent break, enhancing accuracy and control during shooting. The 45 ACP chambering is a testament to the 1911's historical roots and its continued popularity among firearm enthusiasts. The larger caliber is appreciated for its stopping power and is often favored for self-defense purposes. The Auto Ordnance 1911 caters to those who appreciate the timeless appeal of the 1911 but seek a reliable and accessible option. With its robust build and 45 ACP chambering, this pistol is a practical choice for users who value a combination of tradition, power, and ease of use in a handgun. Number 2. Springfield Armory 1911 DS Prodigy, $1,300. The Springfield Armory 1911 DS Prodigy represents a pinnacle of performance for enthusiasts seeking a top-tier 1911 style pistol. Crafted with precision and innovation, this firearm exemplifies the Springfield Armory commitment to excellence. Designed for those who demand superior quality, the DS Prodigy combines classic 1911 aesthetics with cutting-edge features. The pistol is meticulously engineered to deliver exceptional accuracy and reliability, making it well-suited for a range of applications, from competitive shooting to self-defense. Boasting the renowned 45 ACP chambering, the DS Prodigy ensures formidable stopping power. Its exceptional build quality, coupled with modern enhancements, sets it apart as a reliable and high-performance handgun. Number 1. Springfield 1911 Emissary, $1,400. The Springfield 1911 Emissary, featuring a 4.25-inch barrel and chambered in 45 ACP, stands out as a modern iteration of the classic 1911 pistol. This firearm caters to shooters seeking a blend of traditional design and contemporary features. The 1911 Emissary maintains the iconic styling of the original 1911 while incorporating modern enhancements for improved performance. The 4.25-inch barrel length offers a balance between compactness and accuracy, making it suitable for various shooting applications. Chambered in 45 ACP, a renowned and powerful cartridge, this pistol provides substantial stopping power. Springfield's commitment to quality and innovation is evident in the Emissary's design, making it an excellent choice for those who appreciate the classic appeal of the 1911 platform but desire the benefits of modern firearm technology. Whether for self-defense, target shooting, or general use, the Springfield 1911 Emissary 4.25-inch 45 ACP pistol is tailored to meet the preferences and needs of shooters seeking a reliable and contemporary take on this iconic handgun design. That's all for this video, folks. We'll see you next time.